may think that passing a basketball looks easy. It looks simple, right? At least when Kim does it.
Well, it may look easy, but there's actually some pretty cool science behind the whole process, as you know, Adam.
It's true. You need a mind for basketball, but it also pays to know some physics. It doesn't hurt to have a ball, too. Let's start with a simple principle of physics, known as Newton's third law. For every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. Or as I prefer to say, all forces come in pairs. Now let's put this into practice with a simple bounce pass. The angle it comes in at is the angle it comes out at. This is called the law of reflections, and it works for things like basketballs as well as things like waves. The reason it works here is because all forces come in pairs. The ball pushes on the floor, and the floor pushes back up on the ball. All the while it's moving sideways, so the angle down is just redirected back up at the same angle.
The same science is used on a layup, too. The law of reflection works off the backboard just like it does off the floor. Hey, do you ever wonder what the box is above the basket?
So guys like me know where to aim?
Exactly. But when someone is in the way, you need to bounce it elsewhere. So you put a little spin on it to make it go around.
Good point. Putting spin on the ball allows the floor to push sideways on the ball in addition to upwards. Remember, all forces come in pairs, so the floor is reacting to the ball spinning, and that changes the angle of the bounce. Often you need to put more speed on the pass to make sure it gets to your teammate before it's intercepted.
You also have to make sure you throw it hard enough to make up for the energy that's converted to heat when the ball collides with the floor. Make sure it doesn't slow down too much. And in the same way, I need soft hands so the ball doesn't repel off them when I receive a hard pass.
See, you do know your science.
Maybe I don't need to know the science behind the sport to get on the court, but knowing it definitely makes me a better player.
Can you teach me how to do an alley-oop?
Maybe next time.